name is Chef David Fuerte, and today we are experimenting with this Australian Wagyu BMS 89 Tri-tip. So here you see some of the silver skin. We're going to go ahead and remove that. The silver skin is basically the tough part of the skin, so you want to make sure you take all of it off. It gives you a nice clean cut to your steak. So we're going to start off with removing that, and then making sure like it's all removed from all the way around. Just gently take as close as you can to that skin so you don't remove any of the actual meat itself. So we're going to run my knife through this back side. So now that we have removed most of it, you're going to go ahead and just take one more look at it, make sure that there's no more silver skin. Once you have done that, you're gonna go ahead and turn your steak over and cut directly into steaks by moving your knife back and forth. So here we're just gonna cut it and get ready for grilling. And I do recommend a little salt and pepper on any of our Wagyu steaks, but if you want to use any of the Spiceology spices, you're more than welcome to. Or if you have any questions, feel free to ask any of our butchers. So make sure you follow us on the Carniceria Wagyu cooking channel. My name is Chef David Fuerte, and thank you for joining us.